and then kumele ngithi or iyafika.
Yeah, izokuthatha. Be comfortable. Comfortable, sure.
Ewe, kuyavakala.
Yeah, izokubamba. Noba ungasingazincokolela nje noma ungayinakanga izokubamba.
Kumele ndikujonge emehlweni.
You don't have to. Ungajonga namanzi wakho, ungayijonga nayo, ungajonga ilight, or ungajonga lembombozi.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, molweni ekhaya igama lami MK and welcome to another episode of Leadership Insights. Namhlanje andiyamndedwa, I've got a guest yemama. Unolwazi. Mina nimazi ngoYolanda, but apparently nguye nonolwazi, so unamagama ethu. Right mama.
Yo, ngishapu.
Yeah. So abalandeli bami abakwazi. I know there's a few abakwaziyo, but then most of them abakwazi. So bengicela usinikeze i-background nyana ngawe kuba unolwazi ngibani, uzalelwe phi, ufunde phi kanjani.
Okay. First of all, thank you for having me. Yes, and then igama uYolanda.
Okay.
Nolwazi Khanye. Yes.
Okay.
And then eyokuzalwa. Yeah. Okay. Ngizalelwa eSwazini.
Okay. Ungumswati?
And then ubaba umSuthu.
Okay.
Umama umSwati, ubaba umSuthu. Hence isename ithi Khanye. Yes.
Okay.
And then isikolo ngifike ngiqedele i-primary of which is ngiqale eMhlodi bese ngizoceda vele sengisine level, and then i-high school ngi-attendele eBuhlebuzile.
Okay.
Throughout from grade 8 until grade 12. Ngene 2008 ngaphuma 2012 eBuhlebuzile.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and then after iBuhlebuzile, what did you do?
After iBuhlebuzile, I can say nurturing iBuhlebuzile.
Okay.
Yes. Like ngumuntu okhula ngisithandela isports. Even nasesikoleni bengidlala isoccer, ngidlala inetball, ngidlala ikarate.
Okay.
But kuwo wonke nje lamalona wama sporting code wami lawo kakhulu lebe ngispecialize ngayo nami bengiyithanda bekuyikarate.
Karate.
Yes.
And that's how I knew you now. Bye.
Yeah.
Uye karatini. And then
ukuthi nduwini.
yeah.
Yeah.
So uya kanjani kwi soccer from ikarate? Kwenzeka ntoni?
Lento lena yazi njani naluyanda? It's ilento le ukuthi like ube busy man. Ulokuba busy ku sports ngisho kanjalo.
Okay.
Ukuthande ngihlala ngazi bahlala bathange ukuthanda konke. Kukhona kuyenzeka.
Kuyenzeka ne?
Yes,
Okay.
as much as ngithandela ikarate, ngithandela ibhola.
Okay.
Yes.
So isi-sport yonke lento le.
Exactly.
What actually inspired you ukuba ujoin i-sports nje as a whole?
Okay, for esports as a whole, I can say ilento le ukuthi mangikhula ngikhule ngithanda ukudlala nabafana.
Okay.
Abafana barafu. So
Okay.
so kulokukhula ngidlala nabafana barafu, so besihlezi kunalokusukelana lokho. Phela manje ama 2000 awayazi lento le ukuthi bekubeka umhlabathi la.
Yeah.
Kuthiwe ongasaba omunye shaya
Shaya
isandla.
isandla kuwe lo mhlabathi.
Exactly. Mawuthola lo mhlabathi seyasuka sekuyashayana. Isuka kanjalo, so sibuya ukubuya kuzo zonke nje lezi zinto lezi ngikhula nabafana. Bangifundisa ukushaya amakhwela, ngifunda nalo ibhola besilidlala. So basically nje ngisho futhi ke besithanda ukushayana ke nabo mina ke abafana engikhule nabo. Kwaba ilento leyo ukuthi njalo nje uhlala useyinkingeni.
Yeah.
Kuyaliwa nani. Hayi umama wavela athi ayangeke akhona ukuba nomntana ontombazana ohlalela ukulu. Ngcono enze njani? Amfake ku karate.
Yeah ne?
Isport esenzani esizo accommodator lelona le personality or lento that time lokho lokho bese kuthatha ngathi into vele right kancane sekuyaliwa yabona. Abafana nje barafu ekubona nje ngokwabo. So ifike nje lapho ke kwaba yiloko ukuthi hayi njalo amacala uYolanda sekashaye bani sekayenze lokhu sekashaye bani kwaba yilapho ke kanti mangifike ekaratini kuzoba iopposite. Akusilo ukuthi just because uyashayana kuvele kushawane nje manje
Yeah.
no ayikho kanjalo inama levels ihamba nje ngama stages kukarate kunama leadership skills self discipline
Okay.
like I-discipline nje karate izakuqala because yona nje ngokwayo the minute uyijoin ungatholakala nje ukuthi ulwestradeni ujime karate uyaxoshwa nokuxosha ekaratini i-punishment enkulu kabi
Okay.
kumele uzibambe umuntu makakusukela you have to be the bigger person
Okay.
uyabona ukuthi ichinja the whole scenario
Yeah,
le engifika
yeah,
ngikuyo
ufike kuyo,
yes
exactly.
iyayishintsha yonke manje ingifundisa enye iside eyempilo ukuthi okay umuntu umuntu makacala okay uyakhona ukumiyekela ungambuyiseli but wena ujwayele ini bojwayele ukulwa umbuyisele so yona nje ngokwayo ifike nje yangifundisa yangibuilda like even ne confidence kwa even ama self defenses classes lawo nje like more like gona nje ngisho nje ngithi ikarate nje as a whole nje isavile impilo yami.
Okay.
Yes.
So akhona ama incidents maybe onga reflecta kuwo where you had to maybe apply ama techniques nama skills oye wafunda kwikarate.
Yeah, I can say beyiwani.
Okay.
Yeah, bekuse toilet nakhona esikoleni.
What happened?
Lento leyo ukuthi uyafika esikoleni lokuthiwa hey Shumile Mpempe.
Okay.
Basivalele toilet.
What's Shumile Mpempe?
Shumile Mpempe.
Nwera or
yeah,
okay, yeah.
mawusafika esikoleni. Yes.
Okay.
Mawusafika high school that thing yokuthi manivalela. Manifika toilet nje ungena ngingazi ke ukuthi mhlambe besibonakala ngokuthi iuniform ifike emadolweni angazi.
Okay.
Kodwa bona bebazi ukubona ukuthi lo uyafika.
Enibuka ikarate already.
Yes,
Okay.
ukuthi lo uyafika. So yimi loyo ngetoilet mangifika etoilet akhala bo sengiza Shumile Mpempe khipha Shumile Mpempe. Angiyazi nami lento le yangisho ngiyafika
Yeah.
kule high school environment ngiba like and then kwenzakalani hayi but yeah kumele ubhadale for ukusebenzisa itoilet yabo.
Okay.
Yes ngithi mina how kanjani manje kushuthi mangana mali ngizoyichamela.
Yeah, so that's happening ePhlebuzi.
Yes.
Okay.
Ngisho mangana mali ngizoyichamela. Hayi bebabadala labo sisilaba labo lamantombazana laba bewamadala. I think futhi I know ukuthi I think manga grade 8 bebafunda grade 11 bona.
Okay.
Njengoba basibhulisha ema toilet but skip amashumi empempe. So mina ngathi angikhona ukhipha ishumi empempe cause kusamele ngidle emalini yami yomkhero.
Yeah.
Bona bathi hayi abanandaba naloko angikhiphe ishumi lempempe. So kushuthi le leader yakhona kube yiyo efaka umoya kakhulu isondele ize kimi mayisondela ukhumbula kwami yangibamba ihlombe but okulandelayo lapho ayi
sekuyi history. Okay.
Mina ngazibambela yena lo vele bekakhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah.
Then the rest was history. Asiphumela ngephise toilet. Angiphindanga ngaba nje ishumi lempempe.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
kwagcina lapho nje vele.
Okay.
Yaphelela nje lapho.
So ekukhuleni kwakho you got to a point where you even started a football club yamantombazana.
Yes.
Now tell me about the vision. Uyizala kanjani leyo vision leyana up until you decide ba okay, you know what, I am going for it ngoko.
Ngizoyibeka ngithini konje. Kodwa ayikho enye indlela. Ikarate isikhathini esiningi abantwana bamantombazana mawu recruiter or mangiyejimini.
Yeah.
Mawangibona ngifaka iuniform, mawucala bakubuza, "Uya karatini? How do you join?" Masabatshela the information and them babuka le lona site le eyangaphandle. Kuthi ekaratini uhlala ubuye ulimele. Excuse me, ubuye nama injuries nani so and then mina ngabheka le gap leyo ukuthi okay then ukuthi ngi-recruit as much as ngishilo before ukuthi mina ikarate save impilo yami.
Yeah.
Reason ngisho kanjalo after school mayesibuya esikoleni ama-peers masibuya izinto esizenzayo azifani abanye bayojola
Yeah.
abanye bayenza ama-chores endlini bezingafani izinto besizenza so mina benginganaso isikhathi because mawuphuma nje immediately mawuphuma esikoleni mawufika endlini wenza ama-chores akho fast ngapha ugijimisa ubamba isikhathi so ukuthi kumele ngejimini mawubuya ejimini ubuya senjani
Sekulate, yes.
ubuya wenzani uyageza uyadla uyalala
Uyalala, okay.
isikhathi konke lokho kunye asikho at all noma ungathi uyapesha hayi asikho so uyabona and then ngaba like okay yini enye engike ngayenza engathi ngizama ngayo ukuthi ngiqoqe abantwana bamantombazana
Okay.
ekasi by looking mawubheka nje like not only ama social economic issues even labo teenage pregnancy irise yakhona na distinct ama blazer abantwana bamantombazana like because thina ejimini bebasifunda ekaratini bebasifundisa ukuthi kumele uyizimele mawumuntu owesifazane
Okay.
uyabona
Yeah.
so ngabheka ukuthi what can I ukuthi isport leso ngingasi-introducer engeke nami ngasidlala before ngabona ngathi man nasesikoleni bengidlala ibhola ebuhlebuzini ngisacoacha uTso
Okay.
ucoach Tso
Yeah, ngiyamkhumbula.
ngathi man bengidlala ibhola ebuhlebuzini like athi ngebholeni ngingene ebholeni cause naku-netball ngile naku-swimming ngile so uyabo hayi ngathi athi ngingene ebholeni mangifika ebholeni ngafitha ngathi hayi I started ukukhuluma endlini ukuthi hayi guys I'm thinking of ukuthi ngilokhu nje ngivule i-soccer team.
Okay.
And then my parents for me, they were supportive. And then the question was, how do you get the girls to join? Because ibhola ayifani nekarate. Ikarate mawugqoka i-uniform, you are identifiable ukuthi uye ekaratini.
Yeah.
Ibhola ngeke ugqoke ikhithi uhamba udlala ibhola endleleni bese bayakubuza. You have to ukuthi wena advertise or
okay.
yes ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola amantombazana. So I started vele ukuthi ngitshela labe ngibaziyo ukuthi hayi bayithandela isport kwaba ilento leyo sengenza nama posters ukuthi hayi ngizocala ilona soccer team. I started with 5 girls.
Okay.
Yes, and then kwakhula kwaba i-big team, and then kwaba i-soccer team.
Okay, mawuthi kwaba i-big team.
Sengikhulumela phezulu kokuthi the number
Okay.
ya edeka kwaba i-team to an extent yokuthi kuna siyakhona ukudlala siphelele sidlale a challenge sidlale a tournament kunama substitute futhi phezulu kwalokho.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Angeke ukuthi sizodlala bese akusana substitute siyahisheka yabo. So yes, the number like i-turn up yakhona iye yaba sharp.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So do you only participate kuma leagues or sometimes also go for ama tournaments?
Yes, we do. And futhi not only tournaments, even friendly games.
Okay.
Yes, you'll find other coaches babuza ukuthi basho ukuthi ay coach asidlaleni ama friendly, and ama friendly asiza ngani, asiza ukuthi uyakhona ukubona ukuthi nileka kuphi,
Yeah,
where can
yeah.
you improve, and then nawe futhi at the same time uyafunda kulomunye coach ukuthi yena how does he organize eteamini yakhe izinto bazenza kanjani.
Okay.
Uyabona not only ukuthi ungamlanda ufike ukuthi wena wenzakani kanje kokunye akudingi nokuthi umuntu uzumlanda uyabona nawe ukuthi uluyanda wenza kanje okay nami ithi ngiyithathe ngiyoapply ngibone ukuthi izongisebenzela.
Okay.
And then ama friendly bese ama tournament, and then i-league esicale ukuyidlala sicale ukudlala iGalfa yaseKatlehong sidlale for 3 years.
Okay.
No, 2 years. Sidlala for 2 years. And then masidlala, it's only this year whereby la eThokoza i-TLFA introduce i-league yamantombazana.
Okay.
Of which is isebenzisana neParkway Group. Njengoba basebenzisana no Mr. Uthabiso Ltenyana.
Okay.
Yes, kuParkway Group. And then that was the great and best opportunity ever cause ukudlala kwethu eKatlehong besinama challenges awe transport.
Yeah.
Every week kumele kuphume imali kuyodlalwa. Kumele sigibele. Lapho awusebenzi ucoach. Abazali babantwana phela nabakusibonke abasebenzayo.
Abasebenzayo.
Yes, kumele ucela ama donation. Mangasi ukuthi kumele ucela ama donation, kumele kuphume kweyakho. And le yakhe ephumayo kuphuma imali yasendlini. Le kumele uthenga ngayo something yasendlini. So khipha yona. Kumele ihambe kenze njani? Kugibele kuyodlalwa.
Okay.
Because man ngafikanga phela ebholeni kuyaroll. And the time you roll igama lenzekani igama lethi imali bishop liba libi because the time you roll u lose that game.
Okay.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So they count as you've lost the game.
Exactly. So luzile ke lapho makurolliwe.
Okay.
Injalo.
So what have been some of the most rewarding moments kwi leadership yakho kwi football, okay, or like usawakhumbulayo?
Yo, the best one is bekune tournament be hostel Tsepo Station 1.
Okay.
Yes, ama girls awe Khanye Football Club, we won that tournament. That was the best.
We top 1.
We top 4.
Okay.
Yes, and then we won that tournament. That was the best one ever. Lapho ngabona kahle ukuthi hayi ukukhanya kufikile. Hayi nokuthi ngithi kuseza kufikile, meaning ukuthi si capable. We can push and we can go far.
Yes.
Yes, and by looking off izinto like not only lathokoza kuphela ibhola lamantombazana
Liskas, and I'm like dingwala because now I mean I'm like wonke le uthetha ngayo, it's news to me.
Liskas kakhulu omunye umuntu uzoba like hayi mina Liskas to an extent ukuthi like nawe luyanda umuntu uzokubuza ukuthi eyiphi amantombazana yazekasi lakho.
Yeah.
Uzoba like hayi mina yikho. And angeke ngikublame.
NFL.
Ngeke ngikublame. Mawusho kanjalo ukuthi ayikho, angeke ngikublame. And we ezisikhona yazi.
I started seeing you kwi Easter games when you guys were playing SM Tuli Stadium. That's when I was like, oh, okay, and I thought ukuba ngaba akusi team yakho now you are also a player because you were playing as well. Yabo. Okay.
Because ama team amantombazana khona la Thokoza. Mina I know 3 ngegane.
Okay.
Futhi actually it's not even 3 ngegane, it's 4 ngegane. Igane Football Club and then umkhathizwe.
Okay.
Bese kuba ne ilidoda duba le eyakaThep nickname yakhe abanye bambiza ngoZim. Bese kuba le eyakaJavas.
Okay.
Alberto.
Okay.
uJavas eyakhe and then the 2 engikhuluma ngayo imkhathizwe neAlberto zona zijimele stadium esemtuli. Yes, and then uZim uThep bajimela la eTisetsong.
Okay.
And then thina ikhanya sijimela la kule double up le ela ngaseBhlebuzile. That's where we train.
Yipi?
La eBhlebuzile lapho.
Yeah.
La ngidlula khona lapha ya. Kunobutshani obungapha.
Yeah, nyabo.
Trainela lapho.
Okay, not goal side le nqubela.
No. No side nqubela. Yes, kunotshani lapho. Yeah, kunotshani obulapho. Ubobheka like kunomehleko khona la khathi khona kuyabonakala ukuthi like ihlale kunakekela is trainela lapho. Sewukuthi ke it's nami bengifisa ukuthi makhamba isikhathi sibe namapali, yabo? Because it disadvantage. Reason ngithi disadvantage masifike ema tournamentini or nakhona iligini masiyodlala siyatrain man trainer nginganamapali mawuthi penalty
abalazi penalty ene awunawo ama strikers because obviously ku training yenu niyadribula kuphela niyenza touch nani you hardly go ephalini
hence sinokuthi singajimi full time sihambe sijime somewhere else la kunamapali khona ukuthi bafike balokhuze ienvironment babone ukuthi okay masemapalini siyashaya ama penalty wonke umuntu each and everyone uyakhona ukuthi akhahlele abone and then singathi masifika ligini or tournamentini it's new to you wonke umuntu sozothi ayiqala abantu bani sonke so yabona ukuthi hayi kuyabonakala lapho ukuthi no content eshodayo, so i-wish nje ukuthi as time goes by ngathi it's either kusithola amapali or sithola iground namapali.
Haven't you guys tried ukusebenzisa eli ground lapha ePola Park?
Iground lisePola Park kugcwele, but then I think kungaba yinto esingaweka
Okay.
through yona sibona ukuthi siyenza kanjani, because
Kugcwele kanjani? Like during mhlawumbe ngexesha lini le training?
training,
There's others training as well.
yes.
Okay.
And uyazi ukuthi mawufuna ukuthi utraine ku full ground kuzoba impossible, cause uzothola ukuthi kufika ama-under bani nawo sewatrain abafana,
sewatrain.
uthola ukuthi egroundini lonke sekutrain ama-team ayi-6 or ayi-5,
Okay.
and then niba nespace esincane nonke, uyabo.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
akusiyi full ground as such.
Okay.
And of which is ibhola lamantombazane labafana alifani. That one you must know ukuthi alifani.
Lifike kanjani?
Abafana bayakhona ukuthi okay uzo adjust ukuthi okay uyatrainer kule space lesi esincane esingako, anytime uyazi ukuthi hayi ngiyashaya ipenalty ngishayini. Like with girls yonke into kumele siyishaye like step by step.
Yeah.
Uyabo.
Okay.
Kube nalesa space, the training space yonke into uyazi mombonisa like ushaya full ground.
Okay.
For the stamina.
Yeah.
That's why ngisho ngithi alifani. Abafana stamina, the ball work, the dribbling, konke nje, the passing, uyabo?
Yeah.
Yes, akufani.
Yeah,
Then
okay.
intombazane thola ukuthi masithi okay sishaya dribbling, singayisha ukuthi vele ibe effective, siyibambe ngalendlela leyo, the techniques and everything. Umuntu omunye nokubamba kwakhona futhi akufani okwe player. You must know ukuthi ama player are differentiated into two. Kune player eliborn, kune player elimade.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Nandi yakufumana.
Yeah.
Okay.
So eliborn ngiyomenza next ngiyabhola immediately ayibamba ziyakhala, ayikho futhi into ozomenza yona, ikuye lento egazini.
Okay.
Yes, and then imate we go through step by step. Must dribble senza kanje, must passa senza kanje, i-corner kick senza kanje, free kick senza kanje, uyabo?
Yeah.
Yes, until ayibamba. It's more like uyafunda, uyobhala i-test. Mara test akhona wenza njani uyibhala every day because uloku uya improve each and every day.
Okay.
Uyabo?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ano ngiyavakala. So ama age group we team yakho ngawaphi?
Mina le yama age group esayidini lami I can't say ukuthi ngiyenza i-priority as such. Reason being I believe ukuthi umntwana immediately akhona nje ukukhahlela ibhola, even 8 years old, 9 years old, and the time babancane bakhula nalo kumnandi kakhulu lapho than ukuthi ngifike ngingaka ngizothi ngicela ukudlala ibhola. Sawuqala phansi ngama basics yonke lento le. So the smaller the better.
Okay.
Yes, but otherwise ama division enginawo eteamini it's ama under 13,
Okay.
ama under 15 and then 17 bese kuba ne open.
Okay.
I-open meaning ukuthi kwamina nje njengoba nginokudlala nabo ngi-open cause
open.
ngimdala.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought izinto ze-open ziphelela ku-netball.
Ikhona nasebholeni
Nasebholeni.
open. And enye into emnandi ngebhola lamantombazane isikhathini esiningi vele kuba yi-open.
Kuba yi-open,
Ama-tournament akhona cause uzothi wenza i-tournament yamantombazane uthi under 17 you won't have such attendance le engako idingayo
Oyidingayo,
cause the time ikumixwa ilapho khona kuzokhona ukuthi like kugcwale uyabona,
Okay,
and then ibe
okay.
successful.
Okay. So njengomuntu ongumama ne how have you navigated ama challenges wokuleader i-football club and also managing ifamily yakho, like ifamily endlini kunye nama parenting responsibilities unomntwana?
Siyajabula.
But
Yes,
then,
I do.
Okay.
Do have kids.
Yeah. So how do you then navigate ama-challenges ohlangabezana nawo kukwi-football kusendlini and then ngapha ngama-responsibilities womntwana like wenza njani?
Emfana siyajahila yabona makuthiwa imbokodo kuthiwa imbokodo impela
Yeah.
ayingeke na uzuliphikise nje lento leyo cause kona it's a lot but again into uma uyithanda man ayikho into ongeuyenza. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. You go all out for yona. Yabo, as much as nasendlini uthola ukuthi umzali uyaphuma emsebenzini makabuya ngapha usaniphekela usaniwashela uyabo lento leyo.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
injalo nje ayichiki uthando lento mara uyazi ukuthi isikhathi so i-family time isikhathi so isikhathi se-team. There's like wawazi nje ukuhlukanisa.
Yeah.
Wow, manage time ilona time management yakho qedile.
Yabo. So over time it has been proven into yokuba ngaba many women they struggle to balance ama leadership roles kunye ne-education okanye self development. So how do you like how have you managed wena ixesha lakho and then waqhubeka ngapha wafunda along the way?
Yeah. Question yakho.
Okay, let's break it down. Did you do course nyana ye coaching or coacher out of uthando?
I-question yakho angisho ukuthi inzima.
Okay.
Njengoba ngithi i-question yakho ngiyasho ukuthi ngiza nayo.
Okay, izanayo.
Ngiza nayo like
Izanayo.
yeah, ngiyehle uyabo. Okay, ucoacher it's out of love. Reason ngithi out of love. Ngithanda ukusebenza nabantwana ne.
Yeah.
As much as ngithanda ukusebenza nabantwana, I believe ukuthi each and every kid is special.
Okay.
Yes, and then if only us black parents singasupporta abantwana bethu they can go far. Cause yiyo i-challenge enkulu esinayo as a coach.
Okay.
The support from the parents, it's 5%. Yes. I-95 iphuma phi? Ibuya kuwe wena.
Ibuya kuwe. Yeah.
It's 5% like umntwana makadlala wena coach immediately makadlala angene groundini awusasikuphela ucoach. So umzali futhi phezulu lokho. Yes, and the minute umntwana bamsupporta kubo bakhona like they go extra beyond ngeperformance. Kwawena uzusho nokuthi cela na next time nize because uyabona ukuthi uyaphuma mani comfort zone naye uba happy ukuthi ya ekhaya bakhona bazongisupporta ugive like all. Uyabona nje so yeah I can say wena uyanda ukuthi it's out of love. Yabo. And then ama classes bewakhona 2025 ne. Yes bewa 2022.
Okay.
22 24 yeah awe coaching. Yes beso attendile. So yeah I do have a coaching certificate.
Okay.
And then but then Leo bekuyi well coaches class lakhona be yase Netherlands.
Okay.
And then i-TLFA izo hosta ama class awe D license.
Yeah.
Manje ngo July for 8 days.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna be part of our classes now. Yes.
Okay.
For license D.
So how do you then encourage the girls ukuba ngaba bagive their 100% performance groundini and still do the same with umsebenzi wabo wesikolo?
Hayi ama girls azokutshela ukuthi ucoach wafela awubuye ejimini. Reason ngisho kanjalo kumele ubalance. Ane if thina sikhule sifunda siphasa sidlala ibhola bazohlulwa yini?
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
because angisho basho ngesilungu bathi a healthy mind stays in a healthy body.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
ingqondo my fresh hayi izinto manje nakhona nazo uyakhona ukuzibamba ne-performance esikolweni kumele kube nama-improvements. Why? Because u-active uku-sports, so like ethimini si-prioritize i-education to an extent yokuthi we have even few players angezi ukuzojima like during the week, baza ngama-Fridays.
Okay.
Because of umsebenzi wesikole.
Umsebenzi wesikole.
Yes, beza ngama-Fridays and then they are still part of the team.
Okay.
So the minute umntana shot coaching failile so uthola that study.
Okay.
And then u-attend a Friday siyajima, and then u-attend a Saturday strain na lawa amanye amalanga ke makuvala ikolo ke bayeza ke baya attenda njengalaba abanye.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So how does i-club yakho empower amantombazana beyond just i-football in terms of i-confidence, i-education kunye ne-leadership?
We do have a few projects like njengale esiyenza makuzovulwa ikolo.
Okay.
Le yokuthi we assist ku community with cutting of inwele, ukuqhina amantombazana, and then we ask for ama donations. Impahla abantu abangasayisebenzisi, abangasayigqoki, icathulo zesikolo, ama uniform, and then senza njani, we give them ku community with the girls.
Okay.
As a team.
Yeah.
Uyabo?
Yeah.
By doing that, it's part of installing ku the team, kuma girls ukuthi ma umuntu ngabantu.
Okay.
Akusi only ukuthi kumele receive kuphela, you must also give.
Give as well.
Yes. And then if uyabona ukuthi awuyazi uLuyanda uhlala njalo agcoka itekeli one, mara uyalibona ukuthi lihlala liskuni and unalo nawe extra endlini, I always tell them bring it uze nale gymini. Ungathi mawufika nale gymini uthi nali coach le teke ngifuna ukho bani no.
Yeah.
Uza nalo ulifake eplastikini kahle liskuni liwashiwe, and then uyamnikeza ucoach. Mawunginika mina sengiyazi ukuthi okay kunomuntu so ekumele simnikeze lo, na masimnika asimniki phambi kwa everyone.
Okay.
Yes, ngireason ngenza lento leyo yokuthi angatholi phambi kwa wonke umuntu ukuthatha inhliziyo like yethu basically asifani ukuthatha kwethu izinto, yabona.
Okay, yes.
Omunye umuntu angathi yo mina ngihlupheka ngaphambi kwabantu, why ninginikeza, kanti esayidini uyabona ukuthi oh at least they care.
Yeah.
They are paying attention.
Yeah.
Bayangibona ukuthi khona la ngidinga khona usizo, khona la kungafikeki khona.
Okay.
So kahle ngisekhaya, uyabona.
Yes.
Yes, so I can say naleyo project leyo iya assista kulento leyo ukuthi as the girls nabo they must take care of each other. Omunye umuntu abe able ukuthi afike asho the main fact ukuthi uyakhona ukusho ukuthi sikuyabheda so.
Yeah.
Number one.
That means like you are
Yes.
going through a lot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Uyabo?
Yeah. Okay. So what role do you think esports play in breaking gender stereotypes and building stronger communities?
Yazi ngiyithanda le question yakho. Ngiyithanda ngoba angeke ngithi ngingasho ukuthi kwamina leyo challenge ngisayifeza even now.
Yeah.
Because you'll find ukuthi first like angisho first thing mangifika ngi-approach
Yeah.
kumele ngizi-introduce.
Okay.
Bear in mind ukuthi as much as njengoba ngine-team we still, yes, i-registered team, but then we still having difficulties with certain documents.
Okay.
Esingakawatholi wonke, but singakawatholi i-trainer ngisho kumele ichubeke ihambe. so you know ukuthi basically makumele ihambe kumele kwenziweni kumele kube nezinto i-team ebanazo izinto i-team ezitholayo you know ukuthi kumele kube nama-kit ama-soccer boots amabhola zonke lezi zinto lezo kumele zibe khona ethimini ngisho
Yes.
so obviously you have to write letters cela ama-donations you go yourself you knock
Okay.
ukokode same thing mawufika lapha ya mangifika man of approach kusamele ngibulise ngi-introduce ukuthi nguyolanda Yolanda Khanye ngiyi-coach ngiyi-founder Khanye Football Club uzoza wena habe umuntu asifazana yabhola hayi yemhlaba soyaphela manje hayi ngiyakutshela wena azi impela mina ngibona wena ukuthi ngangifundisa ibhola baba
Okay.
It's tough out there.
Yeah.
It is. Kunzima yazi kodwa ke mina I always say ukuthi labo no engibatholayo ngimabo yes.
Yeah.
Why ngithi abo yes bangenza ukuthi ngiphushe ukuthi ngilwe more for the girls because ukuzama lokho okuncane ukuthi kube ne difference and kube ne change empilweni yomntwana ngibone nami ukuthi man ufike seka akufani iyangikhuthaza nami lento leyo ukuthi at least I'm doing something ngiba I change empilweni yomunye umuntu uyabona like ngiyayiface lento leyo hayi kancane so sengivele ngihlekele enhlizweni ngithi hayi nako ke isukile vele so yilo no wami lo yilo yayesu wami lo ozongenza ukuthi ngiphushe ngiqhubeke ngenze njani ngiye phambili.
So basically kunzima sometimes ukufumana i-support from the community, especially because of ungumuntu ongumama.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is, I won't lie to you, but ke abanye abezi ngale negative side, they are supportive.
Yeah.
And then supportive bakhona, hey man, yazi angazi ukuthi ngingathi i-community man angazi ukuthi ngingayibeka kanjani. Kunalento leyo ukuthi uzozwa man mawuthi udinga assistance sokusiza umuntu kuzoba 3 years kusase usakusokusiza.
Yeah, I get there a lot now.
Sizokusiza yabona leya sizokusiza leya. So that's why ngithanda ukuthi asilwe man isiphushe yabona silwe siphushe sukuma uvuke uhambe ukokode mawuthola lo no uphinde futhi uvuke futhi kanjalo uqhubeke siyoze sifike ngitshele lokho nami because akusiwo wonke umuntu ozovele athi hayi yazi nginibone nidlala kuphi ngibone i-broadcast kaLuyanda ngikubone lapha ya nishoda ngani ngani assista ngani because ziningi izinto esishoda ngayo Luyanda ziningi izinto esishoda ngazo you'll find ukuthi even if ungaya komunye coach umbona ukuthi hayi ucoach naye unezinto like une equipment eningi enyaka isebenzisi uyabo lento like ukuvalelana akukho kuphela ebholweni ku everywhere elifeini na uyazi omunye umuntu uzomtshela uyazi ukuthi awusebenzi mara uzozwa sebathi bani yazifika bani emsebenzini mara nawe uyazi ukuthi awusebenzi ukona la akushiye la bazokutshela like ngezinto zabo tshotsho and stuff ayingisho ukuthi ngisho la sengiyasho ngisho example so it's more like okwamanje sisa survivor ngawo amalona ama donation wena Luyanda until siba right yabo.
Okay. So ever since uqalile ne have you seen a shift in how amantombazana viewed esports then and nangoku?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
Is it a positive one?
Yes.
Or, okay. So ubuninzi babo they are being encouraged into joining.
They are, but excuse me, in majority kuna lento le ngingathi majority as community sinesandla kuyo le ukuthi wona umuntu anadlala ibhola sakayi lesbian angazi noma ngithola.
Okay.
Yes, i-community ilabel abantwana ngento abangasiyo bese umntwana uba yiyo njengoba ngisho ngithi inesandla somehow K Luyanda ngidlala ibhola
Yes.
yabo bese mangidlala ibhola ikayi2 mangidlala ibhola kunomuntu ozothi ha udlala ibhola yazi nami ngifuna ukuza ngizonjoin kumnandi mosiye kudlala ibhola omunye mina ngiyangidlala ibhola into zama lesbian adlala ibhola yabo lento le so the minute si ukhuluma into abantwana abafuna ukubona lento okhuluma ngayo uyabo and nama ngeke ngithi kumntwana why you lesbian wena you understand lento le ayikho sharp ayikho right but ngingasho ukuthi isikhathi nesiningi masihamba nama girls into engihlala ngizwa ikhulunywa abantu outside not la ku interior exterior ngihlale ngizwa exterior lento leyo uza masilokhu sindlula hayi mina ngidlala ibhola ngiyilesbian or why la bantwana abadlala ibhola bama lesbian na isasekhona lento leyo of which is ibhola ayingokuthi uyilesbian or awusiyi lesbian into
thanda ibhola
yes ekuwe
thanda ibhola
ukuthi wena uyayithanda bese wenza njani bese uyalidlala uyabo so nje le okunyaya kumele ngikubheke
hayi ndiyakuva inzima so ngawaphi ama projects ekumele siwalindele kuwe or kwi team yakho or kwi organization yakho as a whole kuye lo nyaka lo
okay ngulonyaka ngizokufihlela i1
I wonder okay
ngizokufihlela i1 ezayo ne soon ngalendlela leyo ukuthi ngibala amalanga so ngizoyishare mase yenzekile but otherwise lawa amanye it's le engiyimentionile ele on le ukuthi makuzovula ikolo we do that lento leyo ukuthi ngihlezi ngikhumbuza abantu noma ngichetha nabo ukuthi phela ungakhohlwa mangabe khona ongasakudingi please bring it or ungitshele ngize ngizokulanda to donate because ama donations wethu we not only giving abantwana even nabantu abadala ngiyazi ukuthi thina sizothi lento le we doing it for ukuthi senzele abantwana makuzovula ikolo ukuthi umntwana ahamba esikoleni afana nomunye umntwana yes because akusiwo wonke umzali ozohlala njalo akhona ukugundisa umntwana makuvula ikolo uyabo lapho sisho khona sithi thina we are here asikunda umntwana nawe mzali bheka izinto umntwana angasazigcobi mawumletha uyadonate nawe izinto engingasayisebenzisi not only zabantwana even nami okwami engingasakusebenzisi siyabeka lapha yana bayaza abazali bayathatha abantwana bayathatha uyabona kuba yi-win-win situation kuba right and then sine tournament esiyenza annually i-Women's Day yes iyeza August so izoba it's 2 days i9 nange-10 zaka August yes
busy le date le okay
so we still gonna confirm the venue and the time prizes everything we had it last year at Semtuli Stadium and the turnout was exciting yes bekugcwele we had 16 soccer teams amantombazana yes we had 16 teams futhi our netball wazoba extra we had even extra our netball we still have to ukuthi sitshela abantu ukuthi yo sekugcwele so so this year ziyakhala angifuni nje ukucambela manje kuzobe kuwes
okay so your previous one be sponsor or
it's ilento le engisho yokukokota yes writing letters emailing yabo and asking for isandla because we had feedback a positive and ama sponsor sithola ama sponsor basiza Dr. Mota
Phanga wasema
yes D4
eKhumalo maye Shoprite,
We
yes.
had Boxer.
Okay.
We had Aquil.
Oh,
We had even individuals. The list is plenty.
nah, okay.
Yeah, baning
Okay.
even nama stakeholders laba besebenzisana nabo njengabo Kakasini Kawashi, Timulugo Muloyi, like abantu I won't lie to you baye baphuma bakhipha isandla ku tournament. Hence ngisho ngithi this year kuwe singikokota njengehlanya.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Because kumele kube ne-improvement.
Okay.
Not ukuthi khona umuntu engifuna ukumprove le point, but no kumele kube ne-improvement. Ubone nawe ukuthi angisho obvious after doing the tournament usiyabheka ukuthi ish lana nala.
Yeah.
Okay, asilungise lana. Because we had teams abahlala kude to an extent yokuthi they had to ukuthi bathole indawo yokulala. So
Okay.
kwakona lokho
Okay.
it shows ukuthi we're
Yeah,
going
yeah,
somewhere.
you're going somewhere.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this year kumele siba organizele early ukuthi at least mabalala but bafike vele bathole indawo. So at least this year akusithi may not only 2 teams abahlala kude, it's more than 2 teams. So yeah, sizoyilungisa makuloku kuhamba isikhathi.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, we coach.
Yes.
You are also a player.
Yes.
Asisifani kancinci. Now, give me the top 5 yama best players wamantombazana owaziyo. Please, bamba ngaphuma etimini yakho.
Uyangibulala basi.
Because if ever I'm going to ask for the top 5 etimini yakho and then you'd find ukuthi you've got 15 people, 20 people, nani etimini yakho, obviously i-ruling yakho phayana it's going to be affected in a way because others would say anyway akasiboni or identify abo bani yabo. So I'm trying to protect you xa ngithi asiphume etimini yakho
Okay.
and look kwamanye ama team.
Ngiyayizwa le
5 best players ozaziyo.
Okay, mina ngicela instead of leyo because uyangihisha.
Okay.
Ngicela uyikheva.
Why you care?
Mina ngikupha abo coach.
Yes, abo coach. I'm coming abo coach. Stala ngama. Okay, let's start. Let us start ngama coach ke.
Yeah.
But ekugqibeleni it's gonna go down to ama
Izofika khona
players.
lapho.
Yeah.
Uyangihisha ngama players uyanda.
Askis.
Because kuma players name it's the nicknames.
Ozaziyo.
Yes.
Give me the nicknames because obviously when ku commentate le groundini we're not getting ama ID numbers wabo.
Yeah.
Sifumana ama nicknames. Yabona abo maybe one girl uzibiza ngo speaker yabo. Yeah, uspikiri ndon. Obviously not as ama fans sizomazi as uspikiri only to find out ukuthi nguthandiswa igama lakhe yabo. So asime ngamagama wabo. Give me lawo ma nicknames abawasebenzisa egroundini.
Okay. But ngisacala ngale yama coach.
Sure.
Ngisabuye
ngisacabanga,
baningi
okay.
manluyanda. Yo baningi. And as much as babaningi njengoba uthi angiprotect.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi
Mangikususa etimini yakho, I'm telling you ngiyakuprotect, but then if you want that challenge, we can go etimini yakho and give me those 5 players.
ethi mina yami angifuni ukuthi ngikhiphe.
Okay.
Kuzothi ayo coach ya favor.
Vele,
Yes.
you see why
Exactly.
I'm protecting you.
But
Yeah.
hey, okay, ithi kuma coaches ne? My top 5. Okay. Coach Rogers,
Okay.
Umleleki.
Igama le team.
Umleleki United.
Okay.
Best coach. Discipline. Coaching. Coach, we are coach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ilaba coach aba rase groundini. Yeah.
No.
Oh,
The
ilaba ba
opposite.
reserved.
The opposite. Even nokukhuluma kwakhe.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'd like to meet him one day.
Yeah. Nokukhuluma kwakhe. So yona uze tournamentini uzombona uzoba khona.
Okay.
Yeah. Because last year the time sikhuluma ngabo coaches of the tournament. Azange it was coach Rogers from Imleleki, no coach Nati from Ezasekas,
Okay.
Epamrich. Njalo yiyo le top 5 yami phinde futhi yibo laba beba ama best coaches for the tournament. Yes.
Okay.
Cause why best coaches sesibuyela kuleyo oceda ukuyikhuluma ukuthi bebangayenza into ukuthi wena yazi ukuthi like you have coaches angamind ukeep inhlamba egroundini kudlalwa athuka iplayer selama player wami ucoach abantwana bakho sekuphuma leyo scenario leyo manje uyabona nje kuningi man kuningi yabo kuningi and then it's Mleleki ezasekasi and then ezasekasi unathi
okay Pamridge
and then bese kuba coach uPapipo unhlakanipho uPapipo
okay
coacha Imkhathizwe best coach coach uyazazi indaba
zakhe
you know at times ne makudlala egroundini kunalento le like wena phakathi uvuka ozwa lomlilo dan umuntu ongaphandla ngisho
okay
why ngikhuluma kanjalo like mina ukuvimba kwami ukuthi ngize ngibe sethola ukuthi at times ngiba ngu-goalkeeper we still looking for a goalkeeper eteamini yabo so in the meantime singakayitholi we still training laba abakhona but then kwabona laba bezama ukuba trainer banama position ababadlalayo khona eteamini egroundini so yabona ukuthi iyahisha futhi so yabona ngingasho nami ukuthi ucoach Papipo umuntu ongifundise ukuthi ngibe ugoalkeeper and he's still doing the same uya coach 3 ngaye and then bese kuba ucoach is it 3 or 4 bese kuba ucoach Keletso oweDreamville and then bese kuba ucoach Ana owasefoslo
okay
yes owasefoslo yi top 5 yami
igama le team yaka coach Ana
yo
awuyazi
ngikhohliwe yazi
hey Wes okay
ngikhohliwe ngizoyikhumbula mara before
please ngicela uyikhumbule
I'll remember shem
kunale question that I forgot to ask you said abantwana bakho are from ages 13 to
open
until open ne okay most yabo obviously ngama teenagers siphila ku 2025 TikTok ine pressure yayo Facebook ine pressure yayo WhatsApp ine pressure yayo YouTube ine pressure yayo like ama social media platforms ane pressures zawo izwa applyayo especially kubantwana abancinci abasakhulayo in terms of decision making ama confidence nani yabo uwenza njani ukuqinisekisa uba ngaba you are not facing ama cases it's funny yes you're not facing ama cases or teenage pregnancy none like has there been a case etimini yakho where one of my players wakho ufole pregnant
etimini we don't allow umjolo you jola you are fired yes as a player ukavoida ukuthi sibe na more cases wama teenage pregnancy we do ama meetings with ama player sit discuss such issues abafacana nawo daily basis esikolweni kusekasi and ukuthi how can they avoid such so I do organize ama meetings every month we do have those meetings let's discuss and then kube nama scenarios examples and then cause nenye into esizayo kwamina bese ngiyasho ukuthi isport njengoba baku sport futhi isikhathi sokujola kwabona bazobe basithatha kuphi cause immediately mabaphuma esikoleni bafika endlini benza ama-chores wabo babuya baye ejimini mababuya seyibuyela kuleya eyami makuthi mababuya nabo bayenzani bayageza bayalala.
Ama-homeworks.
Ama-homework ngapha, ama-assignment ngapha, uyabona ukuthi isikhathi sakhona sincane.
Yeah, so
Ngama-Saturdays siyadlala iligi, Sunday umuntu uyasontweni. Uyabona? Mangabe akaya ngesontweni wenzani? Ucover lezi zinto bekumele azenze Saturday.
Yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi isikhathi asikho.
ne? Okay. Okay. So igama le team yaseFoslo.
Hey, yazi ngithi uzokhohlwa. Le yakasisana
Yeah.
iVictorious FC.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
iVictorious.
Okay. So that was it from us bafethu ne. So ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe. Okubalekile ningalibali ukukhomenta, ningalibali ukubuza ama questions, and guys engage please. And if ever you've got ama teenagers endlini, abantwana bamantombazana, here is the team yamantombazana guys. Encourage abantwana to come and join a team so that we avoid ama cases of teenage pregnancy nazo zonke izinto that we are trying to ama-blesser nani. So guys, we need you. Yes ne. So Jabulela sisi Yolanda. Jabulela kakhulu for ixesha lakho ukuzidina wazosibona wazothetha nathi namhlanje.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Danko.